how to remove this error, image enhancement. Okay, so first things first, we're going to click on that X, and then we're going to go and click on the video, or in this particular case, this particular image that we have, and we're going to go under adjust. After we click on under adjust, we'll go under video quality, and under video quality you see where it says image enhancement. That's where we clicked. So we're just gonna go down and click on reset. Okay, so reset or adjustment, confirm. All right, and then we're gonna try and export, and then there we go, we have removed the image enhancement.